Hi everybody, this is Fred from 4x4 shop. Today I want to show you the Android unit that we did for a BMW 328xi. Right now it's on Google Maps. As you can see, you can do like use the screen like same as your phone, like with two fingers you can zoom in, zoom out. And basically we replaced the screen. This is the original screen of the car, really small tiny screen. It changed to a bigger screen. It's a touch screen. Also it has a BMW Evo menu that you can use the knob to browse the menu. Also you can go back to the original car menu, the iDrive, without any problem. I'm going to reverse. That's the adding backup camera with the dynamic guidelines. By turning the steering wheel, lines turn too. If your car comes with original backup sensors, it retains. If not, basically they're disabled anyway. So yeah, by holding the menu button for long, it switched to the aftermarket mode. You can even set it to the old style menu, but Evo menu looks cooler than the original menu of BMW, like older one. So we can go to apps. Here we do have offline maps, online map. You can go to YouTube, you can check your emails, you can use Waze, you can use Google Maps. It comes with iGo navigation installed in it for offline maps. As you can see, the unit is super smooth, super stable. You can watch video, like a full screen video with the surround sound system. Also we add two USBs to the car that you can play USB video or USB music as well. And most of these cars, they don't come with Bluetooth music streaming, but by adding this screen you can get Bluetooth music streaming as well. If you're interested to get these units, give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you.